around, walk down here. Walk over here to the city hill. Did you get the hill? And across.
Keep going.
The more across.
I'm getting past this tree.
Come on, Finny. What are you waiting for?
Daddy, we're going to the car.
Car?
Yeah, just on there.
Come to the right. Come to the right.
Taking more videos than pictures.
Oh, that's okay.
I want to get this,
Yeah.
because that's pretty picturesque.
I love looking over there. Look over there. What is this? Look at the dog. What? Are you lost? Oh, I think he's lost. He's running back and forth and running back and forth like he doesn't know where to go. Really?
That's what she said.
I'm serious. He doesn't know where to go.
Okay. Looking right into the sun.